Of particular interest is the serene 2-kilometer path among towering cedar trees and over 200,000 ancient gravestones that leads to Okuno Inn, Kukai's mausoleum, and Koya-san's most sacred site. Koya-san has long been popular with international travelers, and in 2004, its exceptional beauty and historical importance earned it recognition as a World Cultural Heritage Site. Please enjoy your visit to Koya-san, which has remained an unforgettable destination for over 1,200 years.
Mesdames et messieurs, merci de voyager aujourd'hui avec la ligne Nankai.